Hello Future Blazers, I'm Matthew, an admission counselor at Hood College. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the Hood College application step by step. I'll be showing you exactly how to fill out each section so you can submit an application with confidence. Let's get started. First, go to the Hood College main webpage. From here, click on Admission and Aid at the top of the screen. On the Admission and Aid page, you'll see several options. Click on Apply Now to start your application process. You'll see 6 different application options. Choose the one that applies to you, whether you're a first-year student, transfer student, or any other category. For this demonstration, we're going to click on First-Year Students. Once you've selected your category, click Get Started. At Hood, you have the option to fill out the Common App, or the Hood College application. For this tutorial, we'll be using the Hood College application. If you need a guide for the Common App, check out the link in the description below. Let's click on Apply Now with the Hood College application. Next, you'll need to sign up for an account. Start by entering your first and last name, and then provide your email address. Be sure to use an email you check frequently, as this is where you'll receive important updates about your application. Once you've filled in your details, click Submit. You'll receive an email with a link to create your password. Check your inbox. This may take a few moments to arrive. Once it does, click the Reset Password link and create your new password. After that, hit Submit and you'll be directed to your dashboard. To start a new application, click on Start a New Application. You'll then select your student type from a drop-down menu. For this demonstration, we'll choose First Year Student. Next, select your citizenship and the semester you're applying for. Once done, hit Start Application. The first section is about your personal details. Begin by entering your legal first and last name. If you have a preferred first name that affirms your gender identity, you can enter it in the provided space. Add your middle name and suffix, if applicable. Next, fill in your birth date by selecting the month, day, and year. If you plan to submit a FAFSA, be sure to enter your Social Security number. Once you've completed these fields, click Continue. Now, let's enter your current mailing address. Start by entering your address and country. Make sure this is accurate as it will be used for important communications. If you have an alternate address, such as a temporary residence, enter those details next. You'll need to provide the start and end dates for this address. If you're still using this address, leave the end date blank. Click Continue once you've entered all the necessary information. Next, let's move on to your contact details. Enter your preferred phone number and indicate whether it's a home or mobile number. If you wish to receive text messages from Hood College, check the consent box and provide your mobile number. Click Continue when you're ready. In this section, you'll provide some demographic information. Start by selecting your gender and the sex you were assigned at birth. You can also choose your pronouns from the list provided. If applicable, indicate your U.S. Armed Forces status and anticipated status at the time you enroll. Then, answer whether you're Hispanic or Latino, Latina, or Latinx, and select the heritage that best describes you. Remember, this information is confidential and won't be used in a discriminatory manner. Click Continue to proceed. Here, you'll indicate your language proficiency. Select your primary language and indicate your proficiency levels for speaking, reading, and writing. If you speak a second language, enter that information as well. Once complete, click Continue. In this section, you'll specify your anticipated enrollment status, whether you plan to attend full-time or part-time. Next, indicate whether you plan to live on or off campus. Let us know if you intend to pursue need-based financial aid by selecting yes or no. Then choose the major or program of study that interests you the most, and select a concentration if applicable. If you've applied to Hood College before, let us know the month and year. If you're interested in being considered for the Hood College Honors Program, indicate that here. Keep in mind that seats are limited, and a strong application includes a minimum 3.5 GPA and a challenging course load. Click Continue once you've made your selection. Now, let's enter your high school information. Start by searching for your current or most recent high school and enter your date of entry. If you've already graduated, select Yes, and if you received a high school equivalency, indicate that as well. You have the option to upload a copy of your unofficial transcripts for faster application review and conditional acceptance. Your transcript should include final grades and GPA for the first 3 years of high school. If you don't upload a transcript now, instructions will be sent to you later. Click Continue to move on. If you've taken dual enrollment or other college-level courses, let us know by selecting Yes and providing the necessary details. Also indicate if either of your custodial parents or legal guardians has a 4-year bachelor's degree. In this selection, list your parents, legal guardians, and siblings. If any siblings are also applying to Hood College this year, be sure to indicate that. Additionally, let us know if any of your relatives have attended or worked for Hood College. Click Continue once you've entered all the necessary information. Here's your chance to showcase your involvement outside of the classroom. List any extracurricular activities you've participated in during high school. This could include sports, clubs, volunteer work, and more. Indicate the time committed and any leadership roles you've held. Click Continue once you're done. Now, let's explore the extracurricular activities offered at Hood College. Here, you can select up to 5 activities that interest you. Whether you're interested in commuter student groups, academic clubs, or athletics, this section shows us how you'd like to get involved on campus. Next, select your interests and then click Continue to proceed. Hood College is test optional, meaning you're not required to submit standardized test scores unless you want to. If you'd like to submit SAT or ACT scores, let us know by selecting Yes or No. If you choose Yes, provide your official or self-reported test scores. Click Continue when you're ready. Now we come to the essays. Your personal statement is your chance to tell us more about yourself, your experiences, and why you want to attend Hood College. We encourage you to put thought into this and make it your own. Click Continue after uploading your essays. In this section, you'll have the option to upload any additional documents that you'd like us to consider during your application review. This can include your resume, letters of recommendation, or any other documents that showcase your achievements. Remember, these are optional, but can provide a more complete picture of your background and experiences. Before you hit Submit, take a moment to review your entire application. Make sure all your information is correct, and that you've answered every question to the best of your ability. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Submit. Congratulations, you've successfully completed your Hood College application. You've taken your first big step towards joining the Hood College family. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our admissions team. We're here to help. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to review your application.